Hi guys, and welcome back to Ultimate Squid Gaming, and to a rather rarity, a live action video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this Noctua NF-A8 80mm premium fan, and I'm just going to pop it in my insane gaming rig, the Storm Delta Micro PC. Which just noticed the rubber stickers are all going, the feet are going all over the place. So yeah, I've never used the Noctua fan. I've heard that they are the best for being silent, which is pretty much why I spent way more than I probably should for a fan. But it's got a cool box with like Velcro and all this. You can tell this is designed to be sold in a retail store. Yeah, all those things. You can pause the video here and give them a read if you want to. But I'm going to go straight on with it. Okay, this is actually very exciting. I do recommend Noctua fans. I've never used them before, but from what I've heard of them, and pretty much every kind of computer build video thing that I've ever seen, almost always uses Noctua fans. I recommend Noctua fans. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's open the single screw because I lost the other one. Okay, let's open this powerhouse of a machine. So, I don't think I've ever actually recorded this on camera, so basically what I want to do is see. Okay, so we've got the processor fan here. Basically, hopefully the fan I've got will fix that, will fit that. If not, this will be a fail on camera. Okay, so let's remove the front grille. You don't have to pull this forward. To do it. This is going to be so difficult doing it at once. So now we can finally see. I've had to unplug the USB and audio from the front. There's the SSD there. Nice. I'm assuming this other cable is for the button on the front, I guess. Anyway, let's get straight on with this. What screws does this thing have? Phillips. Right. Let's unscrew this. Oh, I don't know if I'm about to do this. Both one left-handed and two one-handed. I'm just going to pop the camera down. I'm just going to see if they'll undo quickly enough. I've unscrewed the fan! Yes, oh my goodness, it looks so dusty. Let's unplug that. I think I'm going to go and get a Hoover. What is this? It's a Cooler Master fan. That's the fan that was inside it. It's a Cooler Master. I don't think the camera's going to focus. Cooler Master FA07015 L12LPB. If anyone's interested. 12 watt fan, that's good. So I'm pretty sure the fan I brought is 12 volts. Okay. But it'd be a bit ironic if I'd actually got one that was the 5 volt version. Yeah. It wouldn't surprise me if I'd have done that kind of thing though, to be honest. Also, I'm using my mini tripod, which, so as far as this thing goes, it's not very zoomed. Okay, let's open this. It's the bit that I'm sure everyone's actually been after. No one really wants to watch someone hoovering a heat exchanger. Also, I really need to get a graphics card. Okay. Ooh! I don't know why it's so exciting, but it literally is. Unboxing anything is exciting. Literally anything. There's even a manual! Oh my goodness, can we just anticipate the fact that there is actually a manual? I mean, in the past I brought, I think they were Evercool, or some kind of like no-name brand, and they were just a fan in a little baggie, but look at this, installation. Oh my goodness, it's actually in proper English with proper spelling and grammar. Wow. You can tell it's a decent product when the manual is actually in proper, like, grammar form. Mind you, this is actually, it said on the box, this is made in, designed in Austria, so that's probably why. I've got the thing, do I keep the box? I don't know. Right, so, oh, look at the screw things! They're actually like, even the box says Noctua on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there we go, just right in the reflection. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness, it's like the feet bits are rubber mounted in the machine. I'm pretty sure this little short bit of cable will fit. I'll pop the camera back inside. There we go. Angle it down. Epic. Right. Please fit. Please fit. Oh no! Which way did it go? That way. The screws don't line up. No! It's slightly too big. That is a disaster. However, it does actually fit over the thing. So, yeah, but that is. I am really annoyed. I spent quite a lot of cash. I'm gonna have to see if it'll fit anyway. I may have to do some kind of modifications to make this fit. Now these things are meant to have fit on. It's so cool that it's like rubberized though. Really cool. Okay. I don't even know how you'd actually fit these down, to be honest, these rubber things. Maybe they're meant to go just through.
6.5 hours later.
I've kind of modified it a little bit with the help of everyone's favourite thing, cable ties. It's pretty sturdy, I hope. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Spin it back round so I can pop the camera in. Okay. Right, is this Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Hopefully this is going to work. We'll see, because the other fan, this little one, this little Cooler Master guy, is relatively noisy, very whiny, and it's just literally driving me insane. Just this constant whine in my ears, especially when you've got a PC up on the desk. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay. It's on. Spinning. It's so quiet. Oh my goodness. Wow. I literally cannot hear it at all. This is amazing. It is so much quieter. I just cannot put into words. I really should have recorded it beforehand, just so you guys can hear just how loud this Cooler Master fan actually is. But wow, right now I'm going to say, even though it doesn't quite fit, I recommend these fans. Honestly, guys, if you're going to be getting fans for a PC or any kind of cooling of small things, Noctua fans. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. I kind of wish that I could, like, see it through the side of the case now, actually. Yeah, I wish it didn't have just a plain metal case. seems a bit sad to be covering up such a thing of beauty, but wow. It's so quiet. There's also a fan in the power supply, which weirdly is at the front, and a little like extractor fan here, but brilliant. So it's such a shame that I'm going to cover it up, but I can't really have it like that. Well, it would just get so dusty. Ah, perfect. Actually, I'm going to end the video with that off. Seems a bit weird putting it on. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this different video. 100% recommend Noctua fans. Link both to this fan will be down in the description and to the Noctua website itself. I'll also probably link like that if they've got an eBay store down in the description as well. It's not affiliated or anything, but you know, this isn't an ad. It's just honestly, just hearing that now, I can just about hear it, and that's because it's quiet in this room at the moment. Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Honestly, guys, if you're going to get a fan, get Noctua. Amazing. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Smack that like button if you did, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys!